Hello everybody, just like welcome back to another Pavlov Modkit tutorial. Today we will be talking about Zane's band system. Start, click Window, Pavlov Workshop. We're going to download the band system. It should be right here on the front page. Band system content mod Zane the Dev. I already have this installed. Let's go to our widgets. Let's go to our menu. Right now, yours may not look like mine. It may be same as Master Hypes. What you're going to want to do first is delete your refresh button and make sure you delete the graph. Now, in palette, you're going to search for what's called a combo box. This is, to put it simply, a drop-down that you can fill with options. You're specifically going to want string. Let's just scale it. For the sake of simplicity, I will not be making this too detailed. You can make it look as good as you want, but like I said, I'll just be doing the simplistic stuff, most of the coding. Now, you're going to want one button for each day ban. So, let's put this one day. Make sure they're naming your buttons. I'll name this button one day button. Actually, no. Combo box string we're going to call players list. We'll get more on that later. I'm just going to duplicate this button. Put it there. 2 day button. And 2 days. I'm going to pause and I'm going to make all my buttons. Alright, by the time you have made all your buttons, it should look somewhat like mine. Have 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 1 week, 1 month, and permanent. We're gonna click on any of the buttons and let's do on pressed. But first, you should probably do event on initialized. Okay. Actually, hold on. Yes, event on initialized. You can also do event on construct, but I'm gonna do on initialized. From here, going to do add option. Well, first, my apologies. Players list, drag, get player list, add option. Well, first, my bad, for each loop. Okay. From here, we're going to get players. So for each player, we're going to get player name, then we are going to add the option to the combo box. Okay. On completed, let's just do set timer by event. Looping. And let's do 10 seconds. Then from here, we're going to do custom event. We're going to do update combo box. Now there are much better methods to do this. However, for now, this is how we will be doing it. This is in case if a player leaves, it still does not have their option. Well, first actually, clear the combo box. Another reference. Clear options. That way it clears any players who have left. Then adds new players. Okay, there we go. Now we've done it. Let's also go ahead and put this up here as well. Okay. Again, not the best method. However, this is how we'll do it. Now we can go to our actual band buttons. From here, on pressed, we're going to get owning player pawn. And in the variables, let's make a staff variable. And it'll be a string array. Pause save, and you're going to add the usernames of every single staff member you want. We'll just have one staff member, which is me. I'm going to get staff contains. Here we're going to get player state. There we're going to get player name. We'll clean this up in a second. Here we're going to branch. Okay. If it is true that they are staff, what we will do is we will cast to GL. Well, first get game logic, then pass to GL underscore primary. From here, compile save, and let's go ahead and get the onPressed for this. OnPressed. On oh, OnPressed, OnPressed, and OnPressed. We will just copy paste this. Well, actually, real quick, so this is much simpler. Let's make a custom event and let's call it is staff. Actually, we need a function. Apologies. Function is staff. Here, we will take everything. We'll take all that, cut it out, we'll snip it. Here, like this. It's true. We'll return. Here, go down here and click output. Is staff. It's true. Well, actually, don't even need this branch. You can just do that. There you go. Instead of copy and pasting that over and over, what we'll do is staff. Actually, we can turn this into a pure function. Branch. If they are staff, we will cast to our game logic. So we'll keep this a lot cleaner and more simple. Let's go ahead and copy paste this for all of them. Then we'll connect it in a second. Okay, compile and save. Now let's go to our game logic. What we're going to do, so let's make a function. Well, actually, apologies. We're going to our player proxy. Although I'm sure you could do this in game logic as well. We're going to do it in the player proxy. Custom event ban player. It's going to be run on server. From here, we're going to have a couple inputs. Player state, Actually, yes, let's do this in the game logic. Much more reliable that way. Okay, our inputs will be player, time, and that's it. From here, going to compile and save. We're going to ban player. Save player ban. From here, going to get player name. Put it there. We're going to put time to length. Now path. The path is where it will store on the server. Let's put slash test map data, well, slash test map slash data slash ban slash. Okay. Now, bans only work on custom dedicated servers. They do not work on lobbies. From here, we're going to kick player, and our ban date will format. Well, okay, sorry, had to check myself. You can simply plug an unformatted ban date into ban date, and player username to get player name. Compile, save. Now that bans the player. However, we need to check if they are banned when they try and join the server. So let's do event on player join server. Let's break their status. And then we're going to delay. We're going to check player ban. Steam ID goes into player username. Now let's copy this path that we did down here. Let's paste it. Let's branch. If it is true that they are banned, we will kick player, specifically using Zane's kick player. Band-aid to band-aid, player username to Steam ID. Congratulations, you now have a ban system. Again, this will only work on dedicated servers, and this will not work on a lobby or Pavlov's servers. Besides that, well, actually, apologies, getting ahead of myself. We need to ban player. Then the player, from player, we are going to players list, get selected option. Here we're going to get player. Oh yeah, get players. For each loop. First, we're not gonna cast just yet. Sorry. We're gonna get players. So we're gonna loop through each player. We're going to get Pavlov. Actually, just gonna get player name. We're going to equal case insensitive. We're gonna branch. Gonna plug selected option into there. Okay, let's make a variable real quick called selected player. Let's make it a player state. Single. If it's true, we'll set select player. Then we'll, on complete it, now we'll cast to game logic primary. On complete it. Let me clean this up a little bit. Now, this isn't going to be the cleanest. It's a lot better than it is. So, okay, much better. Now, time, this is in days. So, since this is 1 day ban, we'll put 1. Let's copy all this. Now, all you gotta do is paste it to all your other functions. And all you gotta do is change the time. So since this is a 2-day ban, we set the time to 2. Oh, and we're also, apologies, getting ahead of myself again, get selected player, connect selected player to player. And there you go. That's all you have to do now. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video, but that is all you have to do. You will simply change the time for each one. So since this is 3-day, this will be 3-day. Have a good day.